Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville Public Library. Today we are going to make a painter's tape tote bag. Let's see what we'll need for this activity. Now I put a few pieces of cardboard inside my tote bag. That'll help with the next step when we go to paint our tote bag to just stop the paint from kind of leaking through to the other side. I went ahead and took my painter's tape. I'm using a thinner one to create some geometric shapes on my bag. And you can be as creative as you want with this. I'm just doing some stripes here. And the painter's tape will leave some negative space when we go to apply our paint in the next step. So I'm going to finish with this and then we'll move on. Here I have my design laid out on my tote bag. Now it's time to apply paint. So I have my fabric paint and I'm just going to take my paintbrush and start to apply it. So you can choose whatever color you want and you just want to do your best to get all of the areas and make sure it's not bleeding under your painter's tape. So I'm going to continue on with this and then come back and show you the finished product. Here is my finished tote bag. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and have a great day.